So I spent a lot of time researching Hinge, testing different things, what works and what doesn't. And I figured the most helpful thing that I could do is to just boil everything down into 6 simple steps. And that is exactly what I did here. It's a free tool inside my free community. You can just watch this video as it has a lot of the information in it. And it really only takes about 10 minutes to start using. So let's get into bio and settings. This is just the basics that a lot of guys miss. Putting long-term relationship instead of open a short-term. You typically just want to choose what you actually want. Just stick to that. Turning off top photo, adding voice prompts, and I have a link with some examples here. And then just some basics about the distance and the age range. Now, prompt builder. This one's pretty cool. So the prompts that I found that perform the best act as a conversation starter. You just list something you're really into, and to the right person who's also really into that will spark a conversation, and it just helps paint a picture of you. So let's go into the first one, interests. Ideally, you want to answer more than one of these questions, but even if you just do one, and I'll do that right now with you, I'll put down astronomy, and what it'll do is it'll give you the header to choose as well as the text below. So I geek out on finding perfect dark sky spots far from city lights, astrophotography, and debating whether Pluto should still be a planet. I like that last part. It's not always perfect, but you can just regenerate it a few times. Although it does cost me a couple cents each time you use it. That's okay. And that's basically it. Let's go to photos. Now this part, yes, if you're taking new photos, that does take more than 10 minutes. But the good thing is you don't need this section to see a noticeable improvement. But let's quickly get into it. First lot, if you can, create a video. It does take a bit of work, but it can be very, very impactful. It tripled my results. Baseline strategy, if you don't have anything at all, do 2 selfies, 2 fillers, 2 stage photos. Here's some examples of fillers. I always keep at least a couple of them. Here's some examples of stage photos. Again, like I think the best thing if you're brand new to Hinge is to just like get something decent out and then get into the routine, start sending out likes and everything. And then you can go back, tweak and improve your prompts and your pictures. And there's also just a bunch of other relevant tips here. Now let's keep going here. So messaging, just different data, different things to know. So like for openers, going to the profile, grabbing something specific to ask about. A bunch of other good things. Also useful to start sending voice notes. This is a very new test that I did. And now I'm doing that with all my openers, just sending them a little voice message. And there's just some other extra stuff. And also if you really kind of need help with your chats, I have some examples here of just from opener to closure of asking them out. Next is tips. Reviving old chats is not a bad idea. It doesn't always work, but once in a while, just because a lot of women just get a ton of likes, ton of matches, your chat can just get pushed to the bottom. And reaching out again, it works sometimes, not always. But I know a guy who's now dating somebody just because he bothered to try that. Active Today feature, I don't know why, it just did not work for me. A bunch of other things. Good to know that Hinge works in waves. Sometimes it's just like they will take all your likes and matches away for like a week, maybe even 2, and then it'll go back to normal. So like don't change everything. And also I'll just keep adding any new features, any things that you should know about down below here, which is Hinge signals. And the last part is Hinge audit. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, you probably are aware of this tool already, but I added something to it where after you get your audit, you can download it. And it's really helpful if you go into the community and you want some feedback on your profile. It's going to be really helpful because if you share it and it shows that your opener success rate is really low, well, that would tell me that either, they're liking your pictures, but then something after matching in your profile is pushing them away, or maybe your opener is just like really bad. So it's just going to help me in the community identify anything that you're doing wrong so we can get to a fix quicker. And that's basically it. This is just the first version. I'm going to add a lot more to it. Also got some really cool things planned for the community. So you can just come, check it out, see what you like. Hopefully, get you some more matches, which is probably what's going to happen. And I'll talk to you again soon.